So this is my trauma bag that I keep inside my vehicle. Hopefully the shadowing's not too bad because it's a good sized bag. But I need to get this into a more better bag. I want a bag that is going to be more visible because I keep this inside my vehicle. It doesn't have like a first aid emblem on it or nothing, right? So I need to get a bag that's going to be more visible. Now, I'm going to move this out of the way. I ordered one, and unfortunately I think that's the one that I ordered. It took forever, so I canceled it. And then I ordered this one, and then they said, well, we can't officially cancel your order. And so now I have two. So I'm probably just going to give one of these away. Let me know in the comments if you want me to give one of these away. I'm pretty sure this is going to be one that I can keep because it actually has the reflective stuff on it. But we're going to crack these open and see what they look like. We're going to go with that one for right now. And like I said, if this bag works out, then I'm just going to give the other one away. This one's made by Prima bag, convenient trauma bag, Prima Care. And this is going to be a larger bag than what I have, which is exactly what I need. I like these pop open things. I don't like zippers on emergency bags, which is what I have right now. Let's go ahead and I can't take this off. So I guess let's just make it bigger to get it out of the way. And then we've got the whole, it looks like padded inserts of some kind. You got the flip opens, which are good. We've got different pads. We got some zipper things on the side, which aren't super great, but it is what it is. And then you've got your inserts to change the configuration of the bag. And then obviously it's slightly insulated to keep it from things banging around. So for right now, guys, we're going to, let's hook all these Velcros up. They're supposed to be Velcroed to maintain their shape. Let's do that, okay? I'm going to bet there's some EMT or paramedics going to be like, no, take that crap out of there. So there's one piece in the middle, so let's do that. We're just going to try and play with the configuration that's being offered to us and see if that is something that's worth. I'm normally kind of a just throw it in the bag and dig it out kind of guy, but I think an emergency organization is going to help. So we're going to go with that for right now. This seems kind of funny, like, why is it, it's like it's not maintaining the square. It should be square, but we're going to go ahead and leave it like that. Now, the idea is that you put that on there, you flip this over, and then you lock it down and you're golden. You got the front open pouch here, and then like I said, you've got some zippers on the side. I don't know what I'll do with those guys. I'll figure something out. Looks like there's, oh wow, it came with a rescue blanket and some tape. Thank you. That was a freebie. What's over here? And nothing is over there in that pack. So we're going to concentrate on this big open area and this front pouch for right now. I'm going to go and lose this jacket. In the old pouch, in the old one, I think what we need to do is take all the old stuff out first. I think, and this is kind of a thrown together members video that I'll release to everybody else sooner or later. But this is a nice little bag. If you're interested in this bag, put something in the comments saying I want the old bag. This is an old military bag, and let's see what we got here. This is the protect yourself area, which every bag should have. I've got some hand sanitizer, I've got some neutral gloves, and some eye protection. Just going to set that over to the side. We've got our different tourniquets inside of our blood pack. This is basically the first thing I'm going to grab if somebody is bleeding profusely. It's got a hemostatic bandage. It's got the, I can't remember, what's the name of this tourniquet? It's basically for kids, but it can be used on adults. And then you've got your tourniquet in the main tourniquet in the back, and we got some pressure wrap back here. We've got a Israeli bandage. This is actually a good Israeli bandage because it has the little tacks on it, and if you know what they look like, you know what they look. It actually has an NSN. So this is like my major blood area. And then we've got blood number 2, which is like, hey, things are not going great, but we've got to pack more stuff. I've got more So it was this, I think this is, what are we? This is NAR compressed gauze. We've got some, some stuffing material inside of here, as well as some pressure. And we got a triangle bandage. This is always good for taking things in. I think I just stuffed this in here because a lot of people don't have ammonia inhalants. This is great for bringing somebody back who's just refusing to wake up. And then what do we got over here? We have, this is the bigger stuff. So this is my standard trauma. This is an old school pressure bandage. We've got our SAM splint. We got our nasopharyngeal airway and some duct tape. And then we've got, this is something we came up with. This is actually a burn sheet. You get it wet, and then you cover the burns. There was a study that was done. People keep buying all these little 5x6 burn patches, and there was a study that was done some years ago that said that what they found was when somebody has a burn that is significant, we're talking about, first and second degree burn, or actually second and higher, basically bad burns, that it normally covers anywhere from 50 to 80% of their body. So having these little bitty patches isn't going to do anybody good if you roll up on a car and the guy's falling out of the car, dying of being burnt all over the place. And none of those little burn patches are going to cover a limb. So you get this wet and you cover his limb, and now you have some form of protection. And then we've got our T-triple-C card. I could probably need to replace this one. Is laminated a while back, but T-triple-C card with a marker. And I think that was it. So once again, if you like this bag and you want this bag, put something in the comments. Say, I want the old bag. Give me that old bag, and I'll see about getting it to you. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll have a giveaway, okay? We're going to get that out of the way. And so we're going to get the new bag in here, and I've got some additions that I want to add to it, because I think that this is a great kit that I've built. We're definitely going to put the ammonia inhalants. Yeah, you know what? We'll put these off to the side. We'll take our triangle bandage. We're going to throw that off to the side too, and then we'll use. Let's use the Protect Me here in the front pouch, and then let's start talking about like the big stuff. Wow, this is I might have to get rid of some of. Yep, I can already see it. This is going away. This is going away. I may actually get rid of this whole pouch thingy, and I mean, I don't know that it really maintains the shape. We'll try it. But let's go ahead and put the burn sheet in there just because it's huge. And we'll put the T-triple-C card right here in this front pouch. And then let me make sure I'm keeping this in kind of frame for you guys. And then we'll put the major trauma right here in the front. And then we'll go blood stop 2 right here. And blood stop 1, this actually has the tourniquet in it. We'll put that right there. Actually, let's put this back here because that's for broken stuff. We'll put the blood stop 1 right there, and we'll put our actually I have. You know what we're going to do? We're going to get rid of. Oh, I forgot. I've also got the. I forgot I had these in here. I also have the Halo chest seals. We're going to throw those. Those are in there. And the idea behind this whole setup is that you could like basically level it up. I really do need to set it up for the March algorithm just to do it, just so I can stay current, I think, for lack of better words. You know what, let's, so the trauma's to the front. First thing, I want that to be the first thing that I grab for is the trauma. And then we'll do this, and I'm going to bet I can stick something right there. I forgot I had a SAM splint in here already. A few extra things that I wanted to add to this. One, we're going to put this in the front. Or you know, when I go someplace, I want to be able to protect my hands. These are not waterproof. They're definitely not blood proof, but I might have to manipulate something before I even touch a patient. So I want to stuff these in here too. We'll put those on top of that. That way it's one of the first things I can grab. I also am going to have to, I want to have something to cut with You know what I need to do? I need to get some trauma shears and put those. I thought I had some trauma shears in here already, but it's always good to have a pocket knife on hand. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this pocket knife inside here. It's just it's a little Ozark Trails. It's got a good blade on it. It fits my hand. I can clip it on things if I want to, and it locks. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in here as well, in the grab me area. I did upgrade one of the bandages to this Olaes modular bandage. I need to do a video on this. This is a super unique item. It has a cup inside of it, like a pressure. It's like an Israeli bandage, but it has a cup inside of it that allows you to put pressure directly on the knot, as they call it. And this is a great piece of gear to have. So we're just going to, I guess we'll just stuff it like right here, because obviously I'll have to know where everything is. And I'm trying to think if there was anything else that I wanted to throw in there. And we already have an emergency blanket, but you know what? We're going to throw another one in there just to cover us. And I guess we'll take the ammonia out of this side, and we'll keep this for like the blankets, and then we'll use this one over here on the side for our triangular bandage and our ammonia inhalants. We'll stick those over there. And I think we might be there. Let me look and make sure my pile. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. And then, you know, obviously we could stick stuff like right here to just like medications or whatever. But I think we're better off if we just, is there a flap for this? Oh, that's right. The Velcro comes over the top of it. And we got some more things up there we could use. And then this Velcro's right onto the front, right there. There's a Velcro piece. And then we just close this puppy up. We're going to zip up the sides. Now, here's the thing. We're going to get a lot of people saying about how they would have done something different. And I am all about that, guys. Let's put the zippers to the front. So if we have to use a zipper, we can. Let's get rid of that. Once again, this is the Prima bag. Okay, so I'm kind of happy with it. It's got a handle on it. I can grab it like that. It looks like, I mean, everything seems to be like where you would want it to be. It's got a strap. It's got reflective tape on it. So I think that this is going to be, you know, as far as being my vehicle bag, I think this is going to be it, guys. I think this is going to be the magic that is the magic. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. It's got little studs for sitting on the ground. It's waterproof down there on the bottom. Yeah, I cannot complain. I will leave a link in the description for this bag right here. If you guys are interested in this other bag that is similar, but I don't think is as good. I don't feel the nubs on it that this particular bag has. Let me know. Maybe I'll do some kind of crazy giveaway with this. And let me know in the comments. Or maybe I'll just build another one with all of the extra gear that I have. All right, guys, that's going to be about it. This is going to be a members-only first video. It won't drop for another day or so, but you guys are getting it first. As usual, membership has its privileges. All right, guys, stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.